Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will show you how you can return any product on Myntra if your sale tag is missing, right? So here is an example of email which I have written. So write a support email of Myntra here in the box, and here is the title, Myntra product return request. So here provide the name, any name. So you can provide the name of yours or whom you have ordered the product from. So provide your number which is linked to your app. So don't forget to mention the product name on the third column. Like I have given an example here of pant, trousers. So you can write the product name here. So at last request, please return my Myntra product and the yellow tag is missing. So please help me as soon as possible. Thanks and warm regards. And send it to Myntra. So select send and send it to Myntra, and you will have response in 12 hours. They will reply back to you. They will approve your request, and your return will be picked up in 1 or 2 days. This is how you can uh, email them if your seal tag is missing. Use this to mail Myntra. In case of if your yellow tag is missing, so this is the best way you can raise the complaint. So if you don't see any option of raising complaint in your app for a seal missing, for yellow tag missing, you can mail them from your email ID. So if you need any help, if you have any queries, you can comment down below and ask me any question. Thank you so much for watching this video.